Welcome to Best Buds Gardening. I'm Julie. Today, let's talk about how to save Walla Walla onion seeds. Onions are biennial, which means they flower every second year. So I've planted 2 Walla Walla onion seeds and now they're starting to grow. After about 3 months, when they reached the size of a good pair of sets, I pulled them, chopped off their leaves, and I stuck my little onion sets in the refrigerator to overwinter since I'm growing them in containers. Just kind of helps prevent them from freezing. The following spring, I planted my little onion sets, and here are the flower stalks. These are brand new flower stalks, so as you can see, the head of the flower is still tightly closed. After some time, the flower bulb will start to split open. After your flower starts to fully open, you'll see these little yellow stamens start to come out. We'll wait a few more days before pollinating this guy. After your flower is fully open, little yellow stamens all over the place, we're just gonna tickle him, just like you're feeling a pom-pom. I don't know if you can see all the pollen all over my hand. I can see it, maybe you can't. And there we go. Onion flower pollinated. And then we just let our onion flower hang out for really most of the summer. It takes a very, very long time to get to this part, but towards the end of the summer, your onion flower is going to start, the petals are going to start to curl up, and inside the curled up petals are where the little seeds are forming, and you just let that sit there and dry out. Pretty soon you will start to see little black seeds inside those little curled up flower petals, and you want to get that flower stalk cut off before it gets too brittle to contain the seeds. If a big wind comes, you don't want all your seeds blowing out. So right as they're starting to split open and release the seed, man, get it right then. Okay, so as you can see, our flower head is pretty dry. And at this point, you can just pick off all the little pieces that have seeds inside. And if you let them dry for about another week or two like this, really you can remove those seeds by just rubbing the dried up flower petal, and the seeds will just come right out. Just let them dry real good and they will be ready to plant next spring your very own fresh Walla Walla onion seeds. Please check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to see more gardening videos.